Gallery pages let us add a collection of images to our site for easy management and a beautiful layout. Navigate to your Pages panel and choose a page. Click an insert point and select a gallery block based on how you want to display your images. Let's first try the slideshow gallery block. There are 3 ways to add your own images. You can drag and drop images into the image uploader, click the image uploader to open a file selection menu, or click on the plus icon and select the image option. If you don't already have an image to use, click the plus icon, then click the Search Images button to find free stock images through Unsplash. Or click on the Premium button to view pictures that can be purchased through Getty Images. If we go back and click on the plus icon, you'll notice the option to add a video. You can add a video in one of 2 ways, using a URL or using an HTML embed code. To use the URL option, find your video's URL in the address bar of your browser. Then, copy and paste your video's URL into the video editor. Now that we've added content to our gallery block, let's tweak the design settings for the slideshow. In the Design tab, you'll find options to have your gallery autoplay, show next and previous controls, automatically crop images, show thumbnails, and show titles and descriptions for your content. By displaying thumbnails for your gallery, you can adjust the thumbnail strip height as well as the distance between your main image and your thumbnail strip. As always, let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.